your fingers. And then try to resist place the resistance here at the middle phalanx. Then palpate at the side. Banani siya. Okay, bend. Bend na siya, no? Apply resistance there. Resistance. Slightly bend lang. Slightly bend. Para kita siya. Then siya, slightly bend na siya. Nag-bend. Palpate your tendon here at the sides sa imong phalanx. Here at the sides. Okay, there. Sides of the phalanx. Then, the deeper muscles. So, multi-intermediate, the deeper muscles. Okay, one, you have your flexor digitorum profundus. Yan yung superficial na. So, it inserts towards the base of the distal phalanx ang profundus. So, you're going to ask your patient now to bend the IP joint of the patient. Okay, sir, I want you to bend your finger. Kayo, grabe mag-bend, slide lang in. Then, resist that one. Then, palpate at the base of the distal phalanx. There. Bend, then palpate in there. Palpate sa base sa distal phalanx. No, diyan man i-insert. So, diyan i-insert. Palpate. Diyan, napita. Okay, so that will be your flexor digitorum profundus. Okay, next, your flexor pollicis longus. Flexor pollicis longus. So you ask the patient to bend the thumb, and here, especially sa IP joint, and try to resist that one. And if you can palpate the tendon you're passing through, that will be the tendon of flexor pollicis longus. So you're going to resist that one and palpate that tendon here. Right tendon, mugahe ka, it pass through. So that will be your flexor pollicis longus. Your flexor pollicis longus. Okay, here. So we finish on the anterior facial compartment. So let's proceed now to the lateral facial compartment, lateral. Okay, first you have your brachioradialis. So you position the forearm in mid position, mid between pronation and supination. And as the patient is here, I want you to bend your elbow. Bend and resist that one. Okay, bend. Resist. Kanani gawas ng muscle that will now be your brachioradialis. So you now have your brachioradialis muscle. Okay, next. Next to your brachioradialis, you now have your extensor carpi radialis longus. So there, you're going to ask the patient to extend the wrist. Or sir, I want you to, or in this position, sir, I want you to lift or bend your wrist towards the ceiling, or bend it out. And then you're going to palpate the muscle there. So bend it up, then resist that one, then palpate for the muscle there. So you have your extensor pollicis, extensor carpi radialis longus. It inserts towards the base of the second metacarpal. So you have your brachioradialis first, your longus. And next to your longus, you're going to proceed to the posterior. You have your ECRB or extensor carpi radialis brevis. Okay, sir, they want you to move your or bend your wrist and palpate for the muscle there. So that will be for your extensor carpi radialis brevis. Okay, next, your extensor digitorum. Extensor digitorum, you just ask your patient to, sir, just want you to spread your fingers, spread. Then, if ever you have seen this one, so those are your tendon. Tendon din na siya. Okay, spread, extend. Extend and spread. So, kaning mga pan, so you now have the tendon there, you can palpate. For the muscle belly, it's on there. Paano siya? And extend ninyo, and This is that one. Muscle belly is all here. Okay, next. Let's proceed to your extensor carpi ulnaris. Extensor carpi ulnaris. Again, you're going to ask your patient to move, to bend the wrist, going up, and then you just palpate it on the ulnar side. This is that one. Palpate it here sa ulnar side. So you now have your extensor carpi ulnaris. Okay, so those are your superficial group of muscle. All the extensor, digiti, medium, and okay, next, the deep muscle group. Okay, with regards to deep muscle group, you only can palpate supinator, Stefan, deep, so, and there are others, you can only palpate for the tendons. Well, so first supinator, so still you're going to ask your patient to face the palm of the hand, facing it towards the ceiling. And sir, don't let me turn your hand so that you'll face downward. So maintain that position, sir. Don't let me turn your hand. So you try to turn it. You try therapist, ikay mo turn mo siya mo resist. Then palpate your supinator here on the lateral side. So yun yung palpate. Level sa inyong or steady distance sa head sa inyong radius. This is where you're going to palpate for your supinator. Okay, steady distance sa radial head.
Would you text him? Text him.
Muscle. Okay, next. Other muscle, you have this, your abductor pollicis longus, which you cannot palpate for the belly, you just can palpate for the tendon. So ask the patient to abduct this way, then palpate for the muscle, inserting here. So you now have your abductor pollicis longus. There, abduct. And the other one, extend. Extend. Kita mo ni dito ha. Dito ha ba ni? Ha? Ni-extend ba? Ni-extend. You have two here. So kani on the lateral side, you now have that tendon of your extensor pollicis brevis. So ang kani siya would be your abductor pollicis longus. Have you seen this on 1, 2, 3? Anisha, you have your abductor pollicis longus and tendon. This one with the extensor pollicis brevis, you just extend that one. Then gawas na siya, so you have the brevis. The other tendon, again, you just have to extend it out. Yung IP, kanina ang brevis, nariraman to, kutob sa MCP. If ever sa longus, you have to also extend your IP joint. Extend that one, so kanang taas kayo. So that would be your extensor pollicis longus. So you have 3, 1, 2, 3. Abductor pollicis brevis, extensor pollicis brevis, and extensor pollicis longus. Abductor pollicis longus, abductor pollicis brevis, abductor pollicis longus. Ako sa extensor pollicis brevis. Okay, another. You now have your adductor on the muscles on the forearm. So let's proceed now to the muscles on the wrist and hand. Okay, at the level side of thumb, you have your tender eminence. So you have 3 muscles here. So one and the most medial, so you ask the patient to, okay sir, I want you to bend or bend your thumb towards the palmar surface of the hand. Then, so palpate it on the most medial, you now have your flexor pollicis brevis. Flexor pollicis brevis. And then, abduct sa MCP joint, abduct, move away. And more, a little bit lateral, you now have your abductor pollicis brevis. Abductor pollicis brevis. pa.